Still struggling to pack light, no matter how hard you try? Hey travelers, ever tried lugging a suitcase up 4 flights of stairs in Rome? Or realized you packed 3 pairs of shoes and only wore flip-flops? Today, I'll show you how to pack like a pro, light, efficient, and ready for absolutely anything. Here are 7 things you absolutely must bring, and my highly scientific, semi-hilarious rationale for each. Here's a joke for you. Why did the traveler bring only 1 sock? Because they heard packing light was the sole solution. Number 1. The Universal Travel Adapter. Imagine Europe trip. Imagine charging your phone so you can snap yet another picture of a croissant, without blowing up the hotel fuse box. Power up safely, or risk using an adapter that resembles Frankenstein's first experiment. Zap. Two. Quick dry underwear. Imagine Southeast Asia. Imagine regular undies take days to dry and instantly transform into swamps. Quick dry, wash in the sink, hang overnight, and, boom, dry by morning. Say goodbye to embarrassing laundry moments with the hotel staff. Here's another joke for you. Why do light packers always get through airport lines faster? Because their luggage doesn't slow them down, and neither do the baggage carousels. 3. A collapsible water bottle. Imagine climbing Machu Picchu. Imagine hydrate like a hero, or pay $10 for bottled water at the airport. Plus, when you finish, it squishes down to fit in your, already overstuffed, bag. Magic. 4. All-weather scarf. Imagine Turkish adventures. Imagine blanket, dress, beach towel, cape, your one wardrobe malfunction away from saving the day, or just looking really stylish when lost. Five. Mini first aid kit. Imagine Swiss Alps. Imagine blisters, bug bites, or, oops, accidentally walking into a cactus. This kit saves you from awkward pharmacy pantomimes. Ouch, help? 6. Solid toiletries, like bar soap, shampoo bar. Imagine backpacking Vietnam. Imagine ever watched your shampoo bottle explode in your backpack? Solid toiletries, mess-proof, TSA-proof, and they never leak. Bonus, juggling bars of soap is good practice for your next party trick. Seven. Portable charger, power bank. Imagine lost in Tokyo. Imagine GPS died? That's your cue for a spontaneous adventure, or, just find a cafe and charge up. Don't leave home without it unless you love miming, battery, at strangers. That's it, pack these 7 MVPs, laugh at your past overpacking fails, and travel light, because the world is heavy enough. Safe travels, legends. Here's the last joke for you. Why don't secrets last long when traveling at the airport? Because even the luggage can't keep it in.